Welcome back to Furious Cars, where modern rides meet retro legends. And today's feature is one for the old souls and the new school dreamers. If you haven't subscribed yet, take a second and smash that button. It keeps us going, and you won't. Want to miss what we're dropping next? Asterisk, all right. Let's talk about something really special. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, you heard that right. VW has officially revived this beauty, and they didn't just modernize it, they respected its roots while giving it a full EV heart transplant. The result? A coupe that makes you feel nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. Asterisk, the design. It's pure artwork. That classic curved silhouette from the original Karmann Ghia is back. But now it's been stretched, lowered, and sculpted for the modern age. LED lights front and rear blend seamlessly into the body. And the flush door handles, minimal panel gaps, and aggressive stance all scream premium. VW nailed the retro-modern vibe, elegant but athletic. Asterisk, pop the door open and step inside. It's simple, focused, and just classy. There's a 10.9-inch floating touchscreen with full wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A 12.3-inch digital driver display is fully customizable, showing everything from performance gauges to range info. The mix of synthetic leather, brushed aluminum accents, and classic round vents keeps the retro spirit alive without skimping on 2026 tech. Asterisk, now here's where it gets fun. Underneath, the new Karmann Ghia rides on VW's updated Mebivo platform. That means dual motors, a WD, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.7 seconds. Yup, this thing moves. It's pushing 315 horsepower and about 440 pounds-ft of torque, which hits instantly thanks to the electric setup. The range: a solid 310 miles WLTP on a full charge. And DC fast charging gets you 10 to 80% in around 28 minutes. Asterisk, what makes it special though is the way it drives. It's not trying to be a track car, but it hugs the road with confidence. The low center of gravity from the battery pack, combined with a retuned suspension and adaptive dampers, gives it a planted feel in corners and a comfy ride on daily drives. It even features regenerative braking with 3 customizable levels, and the steering has just the right amount of feedback for that classic sports car feel. Asterisk, even the dimensions are well balanced, about 178 inches long, 73 inches wide, and just under 54 inches tall, making it sleek and easy to live with. Cargo space. You've got a front trunk and a decently usable rear, so it's not just about looks, it's actually practical. Asterisk, pricing is expected around $38,000 to $42,000, depending on trim and options. That's not cheap, but for something this unique, soulful, and performance-ready, it's honestly a